Hi everyone, so this is a really easy way to make a really beautiful marble painting or a beautiful marble background to a drawing. I'm going to lay out some foil so I don't put shaving cream on my counter. My foil got a little messed up here right under. That's it. Let's see here. Get that one under. Okay, and I put the big foil out to cover my counter. You can also use a baking tray. Okay, I have this paper here. I'm using a thicker paper, not like you can use any paper you want, but my paper is a little bit thicker, and it also dries really fast. Okay, this is just shaving cream. You take away your paper. You take away your paper. And you spray it all on. And then spray all of this. And smooth it out just like you're smoothing out frosting on a cake. And then you just add some paint. Just add as many colors as you want. I love gold. I have to add some gold. You can also use food color too. You don't need paint, you can use food color. And now I'm going to use some dark green. And for the last color, I'm going to use yellow. Now I'm going to use my skinny toothbrush to make the number 8s or the infinity sign all over. Now I gotta put this paper flat on top, and don't just lay it on top and then pick it up. You have to press it down. Press it down to make sure that it's getting some paint all over. And then it's time to lift it up. And we gotta scrape off the excess.
Ooh, fancy.
So it looks like this. And now is the fun part. I'm going to move this out of the way and put something else. This one here to scrape off the extra shaving cream. Okay, so let's reveal the marble picture. You can put your excess that you shake off, you can put it right back onto your foil, so you can do this again for the next person, or if you want to try it again. So there is my beautiful picture. And when this dries, it's going to look amazing. You see how that gorgeous marbling? Especially like this area right here and here. And now let's try it again.